Techno Industrial Products offers P450 series airless electric spray guns. These spray guns are plug-in spray type. All you need is to give them electricity to paint any surface. All the features of these valves make them your excellent partner in automotive industry, spray paint system, small-scale industry, paint job, and many other DIY projects. Now we are seeing working of these valves. As we give them electric voltage, 220 AC, turn on the switch, close the backflow valve, pull the trigger, then works. Wonderful quality and affordable prices. Thanks for watching.